What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So we're going to go over the play for tomorrow that I'm really interested in. It's Bzun. They have earnings reporting tomorrow. Short interest right now is about 16%. Days to cover is 4.15. Dark pool short volume ratio is about 40%. Companies that just bought the company or that just loaded up into this security. Let's take a look real quick. And we do have, it's a gap down play, so I'm going to be buying some calls at the $12.5 strike. And holy shit, 68% institutionally owned. That's what you want to see for these kind of plays. Let's see who's in here. State Street, BlackRock, BNP Paribas, Nationwide Variable Insurance Trust. Same thing as GameStop. Cool. Parallax Volatility Advisor sold out. Citadel Advisors is in here, of course, as of 11:15. Susquehanna, all the big ones, all the favorites. Okay, so this stock, let's look at the chart real quick and look at what's going on. So we're down 11% today. We have SSR active tomorrow going into earnings. There is a significant gap down to fill. Okay, let's go to Webull as it loaded right after I did this. Okay. Bzun. Save your eyes there for a second. Bzun. So, Bzun. We're on an uptrend now, but we went just about to the 52-week low. This is the gap I'm looking to fill tomorrow in earnings, if not today. So that's why I'm making this video now. So I already bought a couple of calls for the $12.5 strike. Now what's cool is that the options don't expire until the 17th of December. So my recommendation, if you want to go in the money to get some intrinsic value, go 12.5. If you want to go a little bit of YOLO, go 12.5 would be the more expensive one, and then 15 would be as far up out of the money as I'd go. There is open interest on the $15 mark. There's not as much open interest as I would like on the 12.5. I'm going to go ahead and play it anyway. I anticipate a move up tomorrow at some point, so the plan is to play off of that move up. So let's see what happens. We have SSR active for tomorrow. Going into earnings, we know what happens. There's a gap to fill. Should be easy. 12.5 or 15 is what I would go with. If you want, I would even go with shares on this one because again, a lot of upside on the daily. It's been beaten down just like many others we've seen. We have a gap down here that was filled, gap up here that was filled, and then we have not yet to fill. Really. Yeah, this, I mean, we're literally playing off of today's gap. So that's what you want to do. So anyways, y'all have a good one, and I hope this helped, and good luck.